na po yung ingredients, guys. Ito na yung ingredients. Yan. Coffee. Tsaka meron tayong ginseng. Tsaka egg yolk na ano. Yung puti lang, guys. Ginawa natin. Lubat na sipit. Nalagay natin ito sa ating face. Mamas tayo ng coffee. Ginseng. So, lagyan natin siya ng tissue, guys. Gano ba siya ka effective? Yan o. So, kakamayin ko na, guys. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mark News TV. So, we have ingredient, guys. Tissue. Lalagyan natin yung egg dito na white lang, guys. At coffee. Tsaka yung ginseng, guys. So, yan. Yung ginseng natin, guys. So, we wait for 1 hour, guys. So, yun na po, guys, ang result ng ating face mask na, no. Yan. So, mag-apply na tayo ng ating ano, guys. So, more cleaning.